Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to link Payoneer and Jazzcash. So guys, watch till the end as I show you a step-by-step guide, and I made this table over here so we can understand more. So first, just simply open the Jazzcash application and just simply go to the more section. And after that, just simply find and click on the Pioneer option. And from there, just simply go ahead and click on the link account. And after that, guys, just simply go to my account. And from there, just simply scroll down and click on link cards and other accounts. And from there, just simply click on add Pioneer account. And from there, a pop-up window will show up and just simply log in into your Pioneer account. And once you are signed in, wait for the OTP or one-time password into your phone number. And after that, just simply provide the code and just simply click on submit and just simply agree with the terms and condition that they have to confirm the process. And once you have done that, guys, just simply go to my account to check if your Pioneer account is successfully connected. And from there, you should be able to see your Pioneer funds. And in order for you to transfer, just simply click on transfer funds to withdraw your money from Pioneer to Jazzcash. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.